Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and today I am doing Hi Barbie Polka Dots. It is a collab that Dory's Dollies and I do together to challenge you each month on the 18th to show your Barbie dolls. We all love our Barbies, and sometimes they just don't get their day. So we give a theme and then ask everybody to do a video at 10 a.m. Central for that theme. I made this little dress and she's saying, how do you like it? Well, I do. I'm pretty pleased with it. She got some blonde hair on it there. And it does say polka dots. This is a Dreamtopia Barbie, and I love this doll. When I first got into doll collecting and YouTube channel, early days, I found this doll. I don't even remember where I found my first blonde, but I just fell in love with her. She used to stand by my computer, and if you look at my early videos, she was always standing next to my flowers on my counter. Really like her. I bought more since, and I've also bought the brunettes. I love them. These are the shoes that they come with, and they can wear Monster High boots. They're a little tight on them, but they do work. I did not have a red or a white pair of shoes, so that's what she got. If you have a Hi Barbie video today, would you please let me know in the comments? I don't want to miss any. I really enjoy going from video to video and watching them. And please go by today and not only see mine, but everybody listed in the comments. Go through my comments. Come back if you forget who to go see. And try to watch everyone's. Try to subscribe to all of the other doll channels. It really helps us out, and it really networks us so that we have the community that we do. We are so blessed. Thank you, Dory. Thank you, everyone who participates in our Hi Barbie challenges. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.